Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the original box. Right here we've got some information we can take from. Firstly, we've got basic specification like GameSir Connect app, support, physical Gleave Swap, hole, hair, trigger stop, tri-mode connection. Also, we can learn what this controller is suitable for. We can connect it with Switch, PC, Android, and also it works with iOS. This controller is also multi-platform wireless. Now take a look at the back of the controller box. Right here we can learn a little bit more. Thanks to these graphics, we can learn that this controller has Hall effect sensing sticks, rubber-coated anti-slip texture grips, RGB light strips, 2.4 GHz dongle, removable and replaceable gaming grade membraned buttons, 2 macro buttons at the back, Hall effect triggers with adjustable travel, and motion control for immersive gameplay. Also, this controller supports charging station. Now, let's proceed with the unboxing. We have to take a look at the bottom of the box. Right here we've got this tape. We have to remove. Now we can lift this up and we've got the controller, dongle, charging station. At the bottom we can find cable and in the end stickers with the manual. Let me take the controller out of the cover and same with the charging station. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.